UnitedHealth stock is down significantly off its highs. In fact, is trading near a 52-week low. But there are a few catalysts that could lift the company's profit margins. And if they do lift the company's profit margins, I expect the stock price will follow. Of course, I'm hoping for that. I'm rooting for that because ever since the stock price crashed, I upgraded it to a buy. So the company said, the management team said that in the first quarter of 2025, they have an unanticipated number of new Optum Health patients who were previously underserved. These new patients are largely in markets where numerous plan exits occurred, and they include complex patients who require time to be managed effectively by us. So what happened is rival providers of healthcare insurance stepped out of the market, and because they stepped out, there were customers that were left without insurance, without these healthcare services, and they went to Optum Health, and UnitedHealth took them on. And these were complex patients they didn't know too much about. And now, as they're realizing, these patients will take time to serve effectively. So this impacted them negatively for their profit margins near double digits for these new patients, but they expect it will improve meaningfully in 2026. They say that their fully accountable value-based care business is delivering an operating margin about 1% in 2025. This compares to full-year operating margins of over 3% in 2024 and nearly 5% in 2023. So these margins are roughly one-fifth of where they were in 2023. And that's a significant headwind to the company's overall profitability because this is a large segment for UnitedHealth Group. And the management team, as they said earlier, they expect these margins will improve. They're saying that in their value-based care practices, margins improve the longer patients remain. Their most mature value-based care cohorts, those from 2021 and before, are operating in an estimated 8+% margin in 2025. That's interesting, isn't it? That the overall segment in 2025 is generating a 1% margin, but those customers that have been with United since 2021 or before generate an operating margin above 8%. They go on to say that those that joined in 22 and 23 are operating at a 2% margin, but the groups from 24 and 25 are at significantly negative margins.
Click the link below to watch the full video.